Did you put mushrooms in? Yeah, I did. Good, well done. Was it? Hey! What are they doing?
Get an idiot.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's a Luna. Oh, it's a Luna. Sorry, mate.
He's been sloppy with the football, Drake May. So if Stidham can just not have a lot of turnovers and play decent, then we got a chance. Again.
Oh, we're doing this right now? You Jesus.
Hurry up, man. Oh, come on, man. What are you doing? Yo, what is wrong with these?
He's my financial advisor.
Oh, nice.
I call him up whenever I need help or
Yeah,
I got questions.
he like is a dental guy, isn't he?
Yeah. Well, he does all that. Oh,
What? That's the wrong way, bro.
these guys are. Bro,
Oh,
that was insane.
they're gonna find out.
I climbed down from the stage and moved the young man's place. And the you don't feel the same. Young men were playing with life into that.
Wanker.
He was completely on the outside of the road. Did you see?
No.
That Land Cruiser was completely on the outside of the road. Obviously not watching where he was going. I thought we were going to have a head on.
What are you doing, bro?
If you've got credit card bills due this month with those holiday purchases, you've got a strong reminder to look for savings elsewhere. How about your cell phone service as a place to cut expenses? Switch to Pure Talk from Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T this month, and you may well save $600.
Current loop video is now locked.
Out. Pure Talk saves you 50% or more.
And that's the going sound.
I'm not jumping into that, dude.
Etienne is a very well-rounded player. He can do it in short yardage. He can go out to the outside. He can catch the ball really, really well. I think that's probably his strength is in the passing game. Teams will want Travis Etienne. I just really hope that it's the Jaguars that. Yeah, there's no world, I don't believe, where he goes and scores more fantasy points next year for a different team.
It is unfortunate how that works out.
Bro, what are you doing?
Great,
what are you doing? That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, that guy has no idea what's going on. He is lost in the sauce.
Wash the dust off of my soul. Gonna take it as it comes. No more living on the run. Gotta get on a hill country river road.
What the f are you doing? Jesus Christ! And still went through the rest.
Most Notre Dame Irish know. If that's buried under the stadium, yeah, just let it fly. Leave it. Every kind of the next team. Leave him in Aggie land. Leave him in Texas.
Reverberation, which is a terrible thing, and people are, servicing is complaining.
He's coming straight over.
Jesus.
Rolling Stone.
Hot damn!
Right? And he was moving when he got.
Le rétro. Le rétro. Ça c'est super.
How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning?
We were young, the future was so bright. Whoa. The old neighborhood was so alive. Whoa. Every kid on the whole damn street. Whoa.